This journey begins in mango orchards, where fruit quality determines the success of dried mango snacks. Field sorting ensures only mangoes fit for dried mango snacks continue toward industrial processing.
Load is secure, manifest checked. All right, you're good to go.
From farm to factory, Mango Logistics support continuous production of dried mango snacks. With harvest complete, mangoes head onward, while farms prepare for future dried mango snack supply.
Mangoes arrive at the factory, where strict systems protect quality for dried mango snacks.
Automated unloading moves mangoes efficiently while protecting fruit integrity for dried mango snacks. Sensor technology rapidly evaluates mango quality to maintain consistent dried mango snacks output. After inspection, mangoes are approved and prepared for cleaning before dried mango snacks processing.
Washing removes field contamination, preparing mangoes for safe dried mango snacks processing.
Brushing machines polish mangoes gently, improving cleanliness for premium dried mango snacks. Automated sorting matches mango characteristics precisely to dried mango snacks requirements. Cleaned and sorted mangoes are now ready for slicing into dried mango snacks.
Mechanical peeling removes mango skins efficiently, preserving maximum flesh for dried mango snacks.
Precision slicing defines the final shape and texture of dried mango snacks.
Proper spacing supports uniform dehydration across all dried mango snack slices.
Prepared mango slices now move forward, ready to become dried mango snacks. Hot air drying begins transforming fresh mango slices into stable dried mango snacks.
Precise temperature control protects flavor and color of dried mango snacks. The shrinkage is uniform across all trays. Moisture content looks good. Yes, the texture is exactly what we want. We can finalize the batch.
Color change indicates mango slices reaching ideal dried mango snacks condition.
End-stage drying zones remove final traces of internal moisture. This step ensures dried mango snacks resist mold and spoilage during storage.
Fresh mango slices have fully transformed into premium dried mango snacks. Conditioning stabilizes dried mango snacks, preserving chewiness, flavor, and long-term quality. Automated testing verifies dried mango snacks meet strict texture specifications.
Selective diversion protects quality across all dried mango snacks batches.
Conditioned dried mango snacks are approved, consistent, and ready for packaging.
Accurate portioning ensures every package delivers consistent weight of dried mango snacks. Labeling communicates essential information while reinforcing dried mango snacks branding. Automated rejection maintains strict quality standards for dried mango snacks.
Packaged dried mango snacks are complete, protected, and ready for global distribution. Climate-controlled storage preserves dried mango snacks quality from factory to final delivery. Digital inventory systems ensure full traceability of dried mango snacks worldwide.
Export containers safeguard dried mango snacks during international shipping.
song trồng trang. Phía sau khoảng hơn mấy trăm.
From mango farms to global shelves, dried mango snacks complete their journey.